Alrighty, folks, if you are on my channel, you know that we speak with 3 different lenders each and every week. They all bring different experience and different skill sets. But my conversation with Steve and Dow are usually very different. Velocity Mortgage is a make sense lender who controls their own book. And I suspect, unlike every other mortgage provider out there who's been yanked around by this war, then ceasefire, then not, and this and that and the other, I'm going to guess that Velocity Mortgage stayed steady Eddie because they stay in their lane. But let's find out. How you doing, Mr. Stephen Dow?
I'm good. I'm good. Thanks for asking. Again, although I work very happily for Velocity Mortgage Capital, all the ideas and topics discussed on this channel, that of my own, just kind of want to get that out of the way.
Yes.
But yeah, no, great kind of topic to touch upon because I can see, there was some movement in rates as well as just, costs, fuel, everything else. And so the impact from, this little excursion up in Iran has impacted the markets. But with our product, we're not really tied into the 10-year treasury or the bond market directly. I mean, it trickles down. It's mainly what Wall Street is willing to pay for our paper.
Right.
And so, we actually had a pricing promotion going from February to March. And so I think, things were going so well in February, we extended into March. But I think due to the war, we couldn't extend it into April. But as far as the product itself, it's still, user-friendly still, but you could pretty much get what you got, a month ago now as far as the ease of use and qualifying, but the pricing is going to be slightly different. Otherwise, yeah, we really haven't changed much. We've actually seen an uptick in business, believe it or not.
Well, I was just going to ask that because I think that just shows that Velocity Mortgage is that steady Eddie, calm in the storm. You do what you do well. You stay in your lane, makes sense, all that stuff that we talk about all the time. But it's only obvious in times of chaos, right? We've had a really rough last 30 days. Conventional's been all over the place. We've got DSCR lenders in general changing requirements and all these things seemingly every day. Right. And, Velocity Mortgage is that calm in the storm, which I think it just goes to show that you guys are running a very tight ship and really stay in your lane. And that's kind of fun to watch.
Agreed, because I'm on the winning side. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? This ride has been a lot of fun when there hasn't been a lot of bumps.
You're not getting seasick because it's going like this.
No, it's been smooth sailing with a high trajectory. You know what I mean? For the most part. We had little hiccups, but many years ago, like many during, post-COVID and everything else with the financial markets. But pretty much it's been pretty steady. Yeah, because again, the product, it performs.
It just does what it does. Yeah.
It just does what it does. And I think they found a nice little niche, an underserved market. And I think the exposure as far as, leverage position, risk to reward kind of stuff, it's really worked well because that underserved market really found that value in our product, right? Yeah. Either with the ease of use, because if they're more aggressive on their taxes than anything else, but also the stability of a 30-year fixed loan. So you kind of get the best of both worlds of the ease of use similar to hard money. Yeah. But stability to that of conventional with 30-year fixed loans typically. So it's been again a great ride. I've been here over 11 years. So
I really like it because again, you are that make sense lender, right? Again, a lot of business owners, small business owners, really get tussled around and put through the ringer, especially in an environment like today where it's chaos. They're like the first people to get whacked. Like, I'm not doing that loan,
right?
But you take care of them. Also, the fact that your products are 30-year. Fixed. I mean, you helped me way back when get 30-year fixed on apartments, which people don't. It still drives me crazy that people say you can't get 30-year fixed on apartments. I'm like, well, I did, right? You just got to know the right people. Right. And, so again, I just love what Velocity does. Let's talk about some of the programs we haven't talked about in a while. Sure. Let's give some love to the Fast 50. What is the Fast 50 program?
So that's our most lenient product in the sense of credit worthiness, right? Normally we need a minimum 650 mid FICO score to get you, max LTV as high as up to 75%. But if you're just only needing 50% LTV and you may be going through some, temporary credit challenges, life event of some sort, job loss, death in the family, divorce, anything, the top 3, right? But anything else that kind of causes a little bit of a hiccup where, you need something more stable than maybe hard money. But the fact of the current situation or circumstances or lack of resources, you can only you can't document your income or whatever the case may be. Other restrictions that, would normally apply for conventional financing doesn't apply with us. So the Fast 50, You can have no credit score, or even, my record so far, 417, as low as that so far. But if you're up to just 50% LTV on a no ratio loan, my rate is sub 9.5%, 30-year
It's
fixed.
crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's crazy.
So that's one product, but that's been very well received because people are going through some hard times right now. I mean,
Yeah.
with the, some of the layoffs, a lot of that hasn't really kicked in with the whole, severance pay and packages. So I don't know if they've truly hit the market yet. Some from last year, late last year, but man, 30,000 from Oracle.
Yeah,
I think a
crazy,
lot of
right?
that was in India, right? Because I think they got a
Mm.
lot of programmers over there. But geez,
Yeah.
30,000.
Yeah, the other thing I love about the Fast 50 is you guys allow programs to be put together. So you could do the Fast 50 with the 90%
Oh yeah.
CLTV. And what does that mean? It means you get the best rates at the 50% equity, but you
Right.
can also get a seller who's in a position to sell, they're desperate, whatever, motivated. They can take back 40% equity. So you could get in with a 417 or whatever it is credit score
Yep.
and 10% down, which is
Yep.
wild for me to think about.
Yes. I mean, that technically happened with that specific borrower. So found a
Wow.
motivated seller, was willing to carry 40%. I think I might be blending this scenario because I go through so many, all of them kind of
Sure.
start to melt together. But yeah, I think the seller didn't even need the property. They inherited it and had been
Okay.
trying to sell it for a long time and just couldn't find the right borrower. But this guy was motivated and he just wanted to get rid of the property. But yeah, he only had enough for 10% down with a 417 FICO. We
Yeah.
allowed the seller to carry 40%. And I
Done.
think the seller even credited the buyer towards their closing costs as well.
Wow.
And he was able to buy the rate down and buy the prepay down to 1 year with a
There you go.
417 FICO, 10%
Crazy.
down.
That's wild. That's why. Again, that's why you are many people's plan B, especially in an environment that's chaos, because you can get loans done. You're not tugged and pulled by the whims of the market. So that's why I love having Velocity here every week. So thank you for that. Again, you can also help people with flips. You're doing flip lending. People are in
Yes,
that as well.
our ARV Pro, which is our fix and flip or fix and hold, experience level matters. So typically, at a minimum, you've either done one successful flip with an exit in the last 24 months, or at least own one rental property. Then you could use that product. And obviously, the higher the experience, and again, specific is how many successful flips have you done in the last 24 months with exits? 5 or more is the highest level, which can get you up to a 90% loan to
Wow.
cost. But again, no ratio, minimum 650 FICO, 12-month interest only loan, no prepay, submission to funding about 18 days or less typically. And so rates are going to range anywhere from, let's see here. I'll tell you today, right now. Make it easy. Yeah, anywhere depending upon FICO score, as low as 9.74 up to 10.74. So
Yeah.
that's we've been doing that quite a bit. But the Fast 50 again has really been well received
Sure.
for multiple reasons, either credit challenges or you only need 50% LTV,
Mm-hmm.
but that's where the lowest rates are. And if you combine that with that 90% CLTV, which I've been having a lot of conversations because
Yeah.
again, if they can get that seller to understand the big picture, it makes sense for everybody. Because right now with the abundance of sellers versus buyers out there, we're not talking a couple, we're talking
Yeah.
hundreds of thousands, Mike,
Yeah. Yeah.
of differences. Like, what are you talking? So I think for the seller, maybe they're not aware of their product, but when a lot of these people are having the more meaningful conversation with the decision maker on the seller side, they're able to kind of get some of the numbers going, at least to kind of have the conversation like, hey, okay, I can see that. Because I think for some of these sellers, I mean, if everybody else around you is trying to sell, you're competing against your neighbor, and it's almost a race to the bottom.
Yeah, that's one of the things I think if you're a real estate agent, you really got to understand the 90% CLTV because you could take it to your sellers and it's a way to get a better price. The buyer
Right,
will get a better blended interest rate and
right,
everybody could win.
right.
Um,
And get it
so
done now before prices continue to potentially go down.
yeah,
So it's kind of like almost trying to catch a falling knife almost, but in this case it's opposite. So we want to try
yeah,
to mitigate that because the longer you're in the market, the less you're going to be able to sell at as high of a price as you can. At least with this particular
yep,
concept or structure. So it's all kind of contingent upon market value, and so if comps can support what we can now, and then not continue to have the market deteriorate, and then comps are going to
mm,
be supporting that. So this is definitely an option that's been really more relevant, and I've been having a lot more conversations because again, abundance of sellers, you know what I
yeah.
mean? They're motivated. Trust me.
Yeah. If somebody wanted to reach out to you, get one of these calls scheduled, talk about their deal, what do they do?
Email is going to be the best right now. Promise to have abundance of positive response with everything. But email in the subject line, if you could please put the acronym ORAAT so I can find you easier. Also, body of the email, maybe a brief description what you're looking for. Address is going to be super helpful. At least city and state to make sure I lend there. Mid FICO score, and then best phone number to reach you at in typically 24, 48 hours. I'll be in touch. Actually,
Thank you, buddy.
48 to 72. Excuse me. I don't want to
40.
overpromise now.
Yeah.
Yes, 48 to 72. Sorry. Yeah.
That's okay. 2 to 3 days.
Yes, sir.
There
I'll try
you
to
go.
make it shorter, but it's just, again,
Yeah.
just problem to have.
Yeah. Problem to have. You're the best. Thanks, buddy.
Thank
Take
you,
care.
sir. Appreciate you.